Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Homeschool with Miss Marianne. Today I am going to be working on multiplication area models, usually used in iReady testing, but now they are incorporated into state standards for California. So this is good for 5th grade and 6th grade. Area models. First I'm going to just do, the first video is going to be on multiplication by a one-digit number. So when I say area models, we're just talking about place value. It can be a little confusing, but we're just really talking about place value. So let's do an example first. So 3 times 1,125. Okay. Now for state standards, they want you, the student, to actually do area models instead of multiplying the original way, which I'm going to do both today. I'm going to start off with area models first. So first thing we have to figure out is how much space do we need in our area model. So here's my model. Okay, I need to know how much space or how many spaces I'm going to need. And the way I figure that out is I look at my spaces by looking at our number 1,125. We've got ones, we've got tens, we've got hundreds, and we've got thousands. So I need to make place value up to the thousands place. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And I like to put the little place values on the bottom. You don't need to do this, but it just kind of keeps us organized, okay, to the thousands place. Second step is to just do, it's kind of like expanded form. We're going to expand our first number, 1,000. So let's put that in our first place value where the thousands is, 1,000. Second place value is 1, so 100. Third place value is 2 in the tens place, that's 20. Last place value is 5 in the ones place, that's 5. And what goes outside of the area model box is what we're multiplying, the digit we're multiplying by, which is 3. That's it. And now all you have to do is multiply the 3 times each one. So 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. 3 times 100 is 300. The 3 times the 20 is 60. And the 3 times the 5 is 15. Last and final step, we're going to add all of these numbers together to get our final answer. Okay, that's how you fill in the area model. Now let's figure out our final answer. We have 3,000 plus 300, or make sure you line up your numbers, plus 60 plus 15. Okay, add all these up, we get 5, 7, 3, and 3. Final answer, 3,375. Now let's check that by doing regular multiplication. 1,125 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, carry your 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Remember, you're adding the 1. That makes it a 7. 3 times 1 is 3. And finally, the 3 times that 1 is 3. And we get the same answer, 3,375. Okay, so this is area model and this is original format. Okay, so let's give you a chance to do one on your own and then we will look at how you did. So let's have you do 5 times 2,115. Okay, so make your area model first and then we'll look at it when you're done. Pause the video and go ahead and work on this one on your own. All right, so if you need more time, keep the video paused. We're going to go ahead and correct this one on our own, everybody. So first of all, you should have started off with your area model rectangle and then see how far we need to go. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we need thousands placed here. So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. And then we just fill in our area model from there. Remember expanded form, so we're going to start with the 2. That would be 2,000. That's in the thousands place. And then we go to our 1, be 100. And then we're at our tens, which is the 1, which is going to be 10. And then 5 is in our ones place. What goes on the outside? The number you're multiplying by, which is 5. Next step, we're going to multiply all of these times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Don't forget to add your 3 zeros, 10,000. 5 times 1 is 5. Add your 2 zeros for 500. 5 times 1 is 5. Add your 1 zero for 50. And finally, 5 times 5 is 25. Check your work on that. If you need to pause and make corrections, please do so. Last and final step for an area model, we add them all together. We have 10,000. Remember when you're adding your numbers to please line up place value, okay? 500. If you put your numbers in the wrong place value, you will get a different answer. And then 25. We add all of these up, we're going to get 5, 7, 5, 0, and 10. 10,575 is our final answer. Now I want you guys to work it out with our original format, not area model. So go ahead and pause the video and do 2,115 times 5. See if you get the same answer. Okay, if you need more time, please pause the video. We're going to go ahead and do this one together. We start off with our 5 times 5, which is 25. Carry your 2 over. 5 times 1 is 5. Remember, we're adding the 2, which is 7. And then we do 5 times 1 is 5. And finally, we have 5 times 2 is 10. And we do get the same answer, 10,575. Okay, so I hope that helps. Remember, these are called area models for multiplication with 1 digit, and then we have our original format. Right, everyone? Please like and subscribe, or have others subscribe so I can continue making these videos, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video.